Hey Chatu, do you think you can stock this fridge for less than 10,000 rupees?
Stock?
Organize, I meant organize.
Stock, no. Organized, absolutely.
Where are we going? What's that? The concept store?
You know, this is our sweet spot.
What's that for?
Did you forget about this?
Okay, are we leaving now?
No.
Is that it?
Yeah, let's go. Alright, let's clear this out. Time to clean. When organizing your fridge, use containers so that you can keep everything clean. And my favorite drinks, put them on a turning table for easy access.
That's clever.
Fridge organization for just 8,200 rupees.